Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to add custom fonts in Filmora. If you're adding caption in Filmora and want to make your fonts stand out, this video is for you. First, open Filmora and select the video you want to add your fonts in. Then tap on text, and here you can enter any text, like for example I'll just type in hello, and here you'll see small options called style, font, template, art and animation. Simply tap on font and this is it. From here you can choose any font you want, then simply tap on pick button right here, and that's it. Now you guys know how to custom fonts in Filmora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys